everyone, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who have been watching my video for the very first time, first of all, don't forget to give this video a big like and also subscribe to my channel. So my name is Udita and today I'm doing a video that is completely out of my box. What I used to carry in my handbag, each and every item that I used to keep in my handbag, especially when I go to my office. Without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. This is my handbag that I really like. I purchased this handbag from Aldo while I was doing my marriage shopping. I got married in the month of February. I purchased this bag in the month of January. This bag is from Aldo. Let me show you what's in my bag one by one. The first thing is this glasses. Moving on to the next item is this pair of safety pins that I used to keep in my handbag each and every time. Other thing is this wallet, and this wallet is from Charles & Kate. This is a lovely wallet. It is very spacious as well. In this wallet I also have this cute little pouch. This is from Accessory. It has S written on it. Since I'm Udita Sharma, now I'm Udita Seth. S is for that. So another thing is this cute little wallet, and this is from Miniso, and this is how it is from inside, and it's again a very cute bag. Sorry, wallet. Then other thing is this cute little, again one more pouch, and this is my headphone case. In this I used to put my headphones. It is again from Miniso. The other thing is this my iPhone charger. Other thing is this one diary. I used to keep this little notebook in my handbag each and every time. And along with this handbag, I also used to have one pen. Moving on to the next item. This is my very favorite item, and this is packet of Melody chocolate toffees. I love eating this toffee. Now the other thing is one more cute little pouch, and this is again from Miniso. I got these in two colors. The other one was in white color, and I give it to my mom, and this is the black one that I used to keep in my wallet, in my handbag. Then this comb is again from Miniso. I love this comb. This comb is from Miniso. Is this two-faced mirror. This is again, I don't know, maybe it's from Miniso. I actually don't remember. Maybe it's from Miniso again. The other thing is this facial tonic mist. It is my favorite mist, and it is in the fragrance Punch Push. This is how it looks like. This is how and it retails for 400 rupees. The next item is this cream. This cream is again from Forest Essential, and it is in the fragrance Mashobra Honey and Vanilla. It's my favorite hand cream. Actually, it's a body lotion, but I use it as hand cream. Let me show you. I just need to take few on my hand. Then I have taken this little bit of cream on my hand, then I rub it all over my hand, and my hands actually feel super hydrated after I apply it. So thumbs up. Other thing is something that nowadays nobody should leave their home without is this hand sanitizer, and this sanitizer is from Himalaya, and it's in the fragrance Lychee, and it retails for 55 only. Yeah. Other thing is again from Forest Essential, since I'm a big Forest Essential fan. It is their body mist in the fragrance Nuggies. This body mist, it is ultimate. It is awesome. You guys should give it a big try. The fragrance is awesome, and it is super lasting as well. And it retails for 225 rupees. This cute little bottle. The other thing is this face wash from Forest Essential, and this is how it looks like, and it is for 75 rupees only, and it is something that I like. Moving on to the next item is Bandit. I used to keep it in my handbag every time. Then next thing is this deodorant roll-on, and it's from Zara. I don't know how much it retails for, but maybe it retails for $9.90. And the fragrance of this roll-on is super. It's bang on. The fragrance is bang on. Moving on to the other item. This, if you guys have seen my previous video, you must be knowing that I used to keep this Kiko Milano lip shade in my handbag each and every time, and this is in the shade number 315. If you want to see how it looks on my hand, you have to go back to my channel and see my previous video. Let me touch it. Yeah, this is my favorite lipstick. One last thing, I'm checking whether it is last or not. Yeah, the last thing is this cute little rubber band. I used to keep it in my handbag each and every time. That was all for this video. If you guys have anything, any views or anything you would like to share, then please do mention in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big like and also subscribe to my channel for many more upcoming videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay indoors, and very nice meeting you all. Let's meet very soon. Bye. Have a nice day.